Would you ever pay serious money for a motorhome? The 2026 Nissan Motorhome might just make you believe every cent is worth it. Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're unveiling Nissan's take on luxury travel, one that combines comfort, innovation, and efficiency in ways few traditional RVs have. Could this be your ideal mobile sanctuary? First, let's step inside. Nissan has long been known for reliability and smart design, but this motorhome pushes things further into the premium territory. Imagine unzipping the doors and being greeted by an open, inviting space that feels like an upscale loft. Would your eyes go first to the soft leather seating with contrast stitching, or to the modular wood grain panels that conceal clever storage and tech? The living area features a configurable multimedia station, a fold-away smart flat screen, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. For the cook on the go, the kitchen is impressively endowed. Induction cooktop, convection oven, full-sized refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee station, so your mornings always begin with something fresh. The sleeping area offers a queen-size bed with adjustable firmness, while the bathroom pampers you with a rainfall shower, a seamless glass partition, and high-quality fixtures that feel more boutique than camper. Doesn't this sound like a cross between modern home and travel adventure? Now, let's talk about the exterior. Nissan's styling here leans toward bold functionality. Clean lines, aerodynamic panels, and design touches that reduce drag, all finished in durable metallic paints, designed to resist chips and road grime. Can you picture pulling into your campsite, deploying an automatic awning with built-in lighting and speakers, and turning your campsite into outdoor living room instantly? With rugged off-road tires, reinforced underbody protection, and roof rails prepped for solar panels or gear, Nissan makes sure this motorhome is as ready for adventure as it is for luxury. Performance is where Nissan surprises. Under the hood, you'll get options ranging from efficient turbo diesel to hybrid powertrains designed to balance torque, range, and fuel economy. With all-wheel drive available, adaptive suspension, and advanced stability controls, you get confidence whether you're cruising interstate highways or winding up mountain switchbacks. Add in intelligent driver assist features, lane keeping, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise, and you feel in command and safe no matter what terrain lies ahead. Wouldn't you want that level of assurance while carrying everything you need in one vehicle? Now, the big question: what's the price? Entry-level versions will likely begin around $250,000, but as you add high-end finishes, off-road capability, tech packages, and custom interiors, costs can climb toward $450,000 to $600,000. But here's the thing: when you buy this 2026 Nissan Motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying mobility, comfort, and a lifestyle that takes you wherever you want to go, on your terms. The question is, how much is that freedom worth to you? To wrap it up, the 2026 Nissan Motorhome redefines what traveling in style can be. It brings together comfort, tech, and capability so you don't have to compromise. So, would you take this across continents, use it for weekend escapes, or turn it into your permanent retreat on the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And before you go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exclusive reviews. Because next time, we're taking you inside another jaw-dropping motorhome that might challenge this Nissan for the crown. And trust me, you won't want to miss it.